Welcome back to Literature Exposé with Omonigho and Stella. Today we are cracking open the secret toolbox of every great writer. Ever wondered how a simple phrase can spark emotion, paint a scene, or twist your expectations? You are about to meet the power players of prose, literary terms, and figures of speech. In this episode, we'll break down essential literary terms you would encounter in any text, decode figures of speech that make language dance, show you how spotting these techniques turns reading into a whole new adventure. Grab your notebooks, hit like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let's dive into that art that turns words into magic. Theme. A theme is the main idea or message that runs through a story or poem. An example can be seen in the prose in To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. The theme of racial injustice shows up when Atticus Finch defends Tom Robinson, teaching us about fairness and empathy. Plot. The plot is a sequence of events that make up a story from beginning to end. An example in Redemption Road by Elmer Shaw, the plot follows Julie's journey from heartbreak to self-discovery as she travels across America. Characterization is how an author describes and develops a person in a story. An example can be seen in Once Upon an Elephant by Bosede Ademiloa Afolayan. The elephant's courage is shown through her actions and dialogue when she rescues other animals. Setting. The setting is where and when a story happens. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It takes place in the 1930s Macomb, Alabama, a small sleepy town where gossip spreads fast and racial tension runs deep. Conflict. Conflict is a struggle between opposing forces that drives the story. In The Marriage of Anansewa by Efwa Sutherland, the conflict arises when Anansewa must choose between marrying for love or obeying her father's wishes. Catharsis. It refers to the emotional release experienced by the audience, typically feelings of pity and fear after witnessing the unfolding of a tragic or intense narrative. The journey just began. We'll be right back for more. Sit back.
Welcome back. Let's continue on some literary terms that will be necessary for you to unravel the mystery of literature. One important literary term is point of view. Point of view is the perspective from which the story is told. Example can be found in the book Path of Lucas, The Journey He Endured. It is narrated in the first person, letting us see the world through Lucas's eyes as he escapes danger. Tone. Tone is the author's attitude toward the subject or audience, conveyed through the choice of word. An example can be found in Gabriel Okara's poem, Once Upon a Time. The tone shifts from nostalgic warmth, they used to laugh with their hearts, to bitter disappointment, they only laugh with their teeth. Mood is another literary term a writer can employ. Mood is the feeling a reader gets from a story or a poem. Example, Wole Soyinka's Night creates a tense, mysterious mood through phrases like serrated shadows and faceless silence as night thieves. Style is the unique way an author uses choice of words, sentence structure, and literary devices. Example is seen in Not My Business by Niyi Oshundare. The simple conversational style makes the poem feel like a warning about apathy. What business of mine is it? So long they don't take the yarn from my mouth. Symbolism. Symbolism is when an object, person, or event stands for something bigger. Example, in the prose to kill a mockingbird. The mockingbird symbolizes innocence as Atticus tells his children that killing a mockingbird, that is an innocent creature, is wrong. Structure. This is how a work is organized: chapters, stanzas, acts, or scenes, as the case may be. Example, in the poem Still I Rise, Maya Angelou builds the poem stanza by stanza, each one reinforcing the poem's message of resilience until the triumphant final lines. Irony. Irony occurs when reality differs from expectations, often in a surprising or humorous way. Example, in Geoffrey Chaucer's The Nun's Priest's Tale, John Tickler, the rooster, is warned about the fox, only to be tricked by flattery just after boasting about his wisdom.
Imagery. Imagery uses vivid descriptive language to appeal to our senses. Example, in the poem Digging by Seamus Heaney, images like the cold smell of potato mold let us almost taste and feel the earth that the poet's father digs.